Good morning, children. It's time for our maths class. And what can you see on the screen now? It's your friend, Croco. Hello, Croco. How are you? So, children, today Croco has come to meet you all. And with the help of this crocodile, we are going to understand today's concept, that is comparison of numbers. This croco always remains hungry. And you know what it does? It wants to eat the big number always. But to understand that, let's see some examples. So, today we are going to learn greater than, less than, and equal to. Now, here there are some apples. There are some apples towards the left and some apples towards the right. Now, let's count. These apples are more and these apples are less. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. And on the right side we have 2 apples. Now children, tell me, 6 apples are more or 2 apples are more? Yes, 6 apples are more and 2 are less. And now what will happen? Croco will come and Croco is going to eat 6 or 2. See, Croco has come and Croco is going to eat 6 apples because he wants more, and he always eats big number. Always remember that the crocodile's mouth will be open towards the big number. Now let's understand with these examples. The first number is 5 and 1. Now tell me which number is big? The big number is 5. So, what we are going to do? We are going to keep the open mouth of Croco towards 5 because 5 is the big number. So, this is how we can make the sign of greater than, because 5 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 1. So we have learnt how to make the sign of greater than. Now let's move to the next. 7 and 9. Now tell me which number is greater, which number is bigger? 9. So now Croco is going to eat 9. Okay, so 7 is less than 9. 7 is less, 9 is more. 7 is small, 9 is big. So Croco is going to open the mouth towards 9. So we have learnt greater than and smaller than. Now 13 and 11, which number is big? 13 or 11? Tell me. 13 is greater than 11. So, crocodile is going to eat 13 now. So, let's keep the mouth open towards 13 like this. And now we have learned how to make the sign of greater than. Yes. Like this we are going to make the sign. Now let's move to the next number. 20 and 20. Now tell me, on one side it is 20, other side again it is 20. So which number is big? Both are equal. Equal. So now crocodile is not going to eat any. It will keep its mouth closed like this. So we can make equal to sign like this. Now let's move to the next number. 12 and 17. Which number is big? 12 or 17? 17 is bigger. 17 is greater. So crocodile is going to eat the number 17. So it will keep its mouth open. And then we are going to make the sign of greater than. So 17 is greater than 12, or we can say that 12 is less than 17. So I hope that you all have understood the concept. Now we are going to do the given assignment in the book. We are going to do page number 72. So write down today's date. Look at the numbers and write greater than, less than or equal to. So here is the box. How we have to do? 40 and 35. Which number is greater than? Which number is bigger? 40. So we are going to show the open mouth of crocodile. Open mouth of crocodile towards 40. So do this page, children, and send your work to me. Bye bye.